Feeling festive but getting a little overwhelmed by all of the super complicated eyeshadow tutorials out there? Trust me, you are not alone. Who doesn't want a little sparkle and a little shimmer without all of the stress? Today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to get a soft, sparkly holiday eye that is perfect for beginners. This is a look you can do in minutes and it's basically foolproof, so stick around because you definitely want to try this eyeshadow tutorial today. We're going for what I call expensive glam on a budget. A look that's glam and sparkly, perfect for any holiday get together, but it's secretly so simple. We'll be using some buildable shimmers and easy to blend mattes to get that gorgeous lit from within holiday glow. And the best part, we're focusing on drugstore affordable makeup products so you don't have to break the bank to feel glamorous. Many of the products that I'm using today are under $20, and I'll mention alternatives as well, or you can definitely use what you have at home because this is all about the technique. So if you want to see how to get this incredibly soft, easy glam look, then just keep watching. All right, let's get into it. The absolute first step on any eyeshadow look that's going to last all night, especially for a holiday party, is a good eye primer. Seriously, you do not want to skip this step. It does two super important things. It creates a smooth canvas for your eyeshadows, and it gives the shadow something to stick to, which prevents creasing and fading for hours. Today I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer, which is a fantastic affordable option that keeps your shadow in place all day. Another great option is the Hard Candy long wear eyeshadow primer that you can definitely pick up at Walmart. You honestly only need the tiniest amount of these primers. I'm just taking a little pin-sized amount with a small synthetic brush. Just smooth that all across your eyelid from your lashes all the way up to your brow bone. You can also use your ring finger and tap but not rub the primer in. It's much gentler on your eye and gives you a nice thin layer when you tap as opposed to rubbing. And here's why primers are so great as well. Our eyelids can have some discoloration or veins, and a primer will help to cancel out that redness, making your eyeshadow colors look way more vibrant and true to how they look in the pan. If you have oily lids, this step is a total game changer for preventing that dreaded creased look a few hours in. And if your eyelids are dry, you can easily apply a little bit of a lightweight moisturizer before your eyeshadow primer. I'm going to let the primer sit for a minute until it gets just a little bit tacky, and this is the perfect time to do your brows. I always find it so much easier to do your brows before shadow because it actually does frame your eye and gives you a clear map of the space that you're working with. Today I did do my brows as a last step though, which I will show you at the end of this tutorial. But definitely a great brow product is the NYX Brow. To keep this look beginner friendly, we're going to keep the matte shades really simple. We're just using one or two colors to create some soft definition. I'm going to be using the Morphe Naughty palette today, which is an incredibly affordable eyeshadow palette filled with the most gorgeous matte and shimmer shades. Feel free to use any neutral matte shadows that you already own, just in the same color family for this look. I'm starting with a fluffy brush. You want to use your fluffiest brush for a softer and more diffused look to the shadow. And so I'm dipping into this soft neutral taupe here, something just a couple of shades deeper than my actual skin tone. And a super important trick is to tap off the excess powder off of your brush. This is key to preventing any powder from falling out off of your eyes and onto your cheek. Now, looking straight into the mirror, I'm going to start sweeping that shade into the crease. The crease is that little pocket of space right between your brow bone and your eyelid. I'm using gentle back and forth windshield wiper motions. This soft movement blends the color out effortlessly without leaving any harsh lines. The goal here isn't a ton of color, but just a soft wash that adds dimension. Think of it as a gentle contour for your eyes, making them look bigger and adding a professional makeup artist touch. But as you can see, it's super easy. Just keep blending and blending this shadow until you get a really nice and soft look. Now, a little trick that takes this look up a notch, but it's totally optional. I'm grabbing a slightly smaller, more tapered pencil style brush, and I'm running this same shade along my lower lashes. This really gives you a professional makeup artist look, and it will make your eyeshadow all come together and look more symmetrical. Then I'm adding this soft matte light shade, which is actually the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm sweeping that inward and along the brow bone as well. To keep this look soft, I'm just building up on that initial taupe shade that we used, and I'm going to actually focus this color now on the outer third of the eye, kind of in a soft V shape. I'm going to use this color on the outer corner and blend it up a bit into the outer crease. We want this deepness on the outer corner of the eye to give that lifted, elongated, and more elegant shape. It's very simple, but it adds definition, but there's no complicated blending. Then just take your original fluffy brush with no extra powder on it and gently swirl the edges where the two shadows meet. Trust me, this little step takes your look up a notch and definitely give you a more professional look. Now it's time for the sparkle. Okay, now the best part and the easiest part of this whole look is the sparkle. The best and most high impact way to add a shimmer shadow to your eye, especially if you're a beginner, is with your finger. So with the warmth of your fingertip, pick up the shadow and press it onto your lid. The color payoff is amazing and there's no fallout. I'm going to use this gorgeous silvery shimmer shades, and you definitely want to reach for these kind of shimmery and champagne shades. They're perfect because they are universally flattering and they're not intimidating at all. This shade here though, I absolutely love it. Doesn't it actually look like a Christmas ornament in the pan? It is so beautiful. I love the silver shimmer. The pigment is already so vibrant. So now I'm going to gently press and pat this onto the lid and focus that product right on the center of the lid, right above the pupil. This is where the light naturally hits your eye, so it will make your eyes look extra bright and open. I'll gently press the shimmer towards the inner corner and pull it outwards into the darker matte shadow. The motion is just a gentle press and tap. No need to rub, just tap, tap, tap. I personally also like to use my finger and a brush, and I just like to tap and pull that down in short strokes on my eyelid. So you see how easy that was? It's so easy to add glamour, and these shadows look almost wet on your eye, and the sparkle is so festive. And because you're pressing it on, the shimmer really sticks to that primer, so you won't get glitter all over your face. And now for the finishing touches. We're almost done. It's time to pull this whole look together with a liner and mascara. For this soft glam vibe, I'm actually going to skip the liquid liner. Let's be real, liquid liner can be a little stressful and pretty unforgiving sometimes. Instead, we're going to create a soft, simple, smoky wing with the eyeshadow, which is more forgiving, and it gives this beautiful diffused look to the eye. I'm taking a small angled brush and dipping it into the darkest shade in this Naughty palette, so you could even use a soft black if you have one, and I'm going to press the shadow as close as I can to my upper lash line, starting on the outer corner and stamping my way inwards. Using these small stamping motions instead of drawing one line creates the illusion of a fuller lash line. Once you have that line defined, I'll gently flick the brush outwards at the outer corners to create that tiny soft wing. It doesn't have to be perfect. That smudgy look, soft effect is what we're going for. It gives you the definition of a wing without any of the stress as well. So if you'd like to bump up the glamour a bit more though, feel free to add eyeliner. I love to use eyeliner in my waterline and to tightline, and I also do like to go over the shadow with the eyeliner as well. It just makes the look more impactful yet still smoky and soft because we have the shadow underneath. So just make sure to blend that liner out though, and you can always use your finger or a brush to just gently diffuse the eyeliner, and it just adds to the soft smoky effect. So next up is mascara, which will truly open up your eyes. First, I'm going to give my lashes a good curl. I promise this is a step so many people skip, but it actually makes a world of difference. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Extensionist. This mascara is so gorgeous. It actually does make your lashes look so long and thick. You could always use brown mascara for a more natural look, but black mascara is definitely the way to go for a more glamorous look if you want that glamorous look for your holiday party makeup look. So I'm applying a generous coat to my top and bottom lashes, making sure to wiggle the wand right at the base of my lashes to build volume before pulling out and through. Of course, if you're a fan of false lashes, now is your moment moment. They can definitely elevate any holiday look, but for this simple beginner-friendly tutorial today, I wanted to show you an option that a good coat of mascara is really all you need to make your eyes pop. I personally, though, decided to add a half lash to this look, though, and so I'm just using these Amazon half lashes that are super affordable, and again, you can get them on Amazon very easily. And bringing it back to the brows, today I did do my brows last, and normally I do them first, but today I did them as a last step. And just to show you the products that I used, I did use the NYX Brow, which is such a great brow pencil, and then I do like to go ahead and set the brows with a little bit of brow gel. You definitely want to do that to help your brows stay in place and to last all through the night. And just to add a quick lip option, the lip that I'm using here today is NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner, and then I did pair that with this baby pink Essence lip gloss. This is a plumping lip gloss. It is so good. I love the baby pink shade. Easily. And that is the finished look. A beautiful, soft, glam holiday eye makeup look that looks so chic and so festive and so glam too. This is the perfect holiday look for any party. It's not complicated and you will definitely feel glamorous. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I hope it makes you feel more confident to try a sparkly look for yourself. All of the products that I used today will be linked in the description box down below. Let me know in the comments what your favorite holiday look is, what your favorite colors are, and do you love to use shimmer and glimmer too, especially in the holiday season? So definitely let me know down below, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys again so much for joining me today, and I will see you very soon.